ready to be put away for winter. So, start at this end. These are now unlocked, so they just come right out. Ropes, I have 2 locks on the bottom here. Very well locked. 2 ropes. There are other locking systems we can use, but these work pretty well too. So I'll put those away and I'll be done. The foot bar and front end piece come out quite easily. I've removed the bolts. They just come out. Get that out of the way. Get a couple pillows. The carriage just comes off. Wheels slide in very easily. A couple handles here. See? We're left with just the frame. Don't know how tight the wood is. Oh, pretty good. Take one away. Take the carriage stop out. Carriage stop and the spring hooks and all the bolts that hold it together. So we're left with 3 pieces, 1 runner. Take it out from the other end. Tight. There we go. And out. And out. Back end piece. And the front end piece. All gone the reformer. From sunny Canada. Oh, it's going to be cold this year, I think. I think it's going to be cold.